how to use this intentional calendar for 2023. Hello, protons, positively charged beings. This is your life coach, Kimmy Lou, and you are watching this video because you have the intentional calendar with you, right? Probably, scanned this QR code, and now we're here. I want to tell you first that this is a prototype, and this isn't really the actual calendar that you have. What you have now is a much bigger version and more improved, of course. Happy New Year. And I love New Year because I really feel that it is a new slate, a new canvas, a new page, a new chapter, even a new book. I want to show you how this looks like and how you can use it. I am a lover of desk calendars, and this is why I created this project. I don't use a planner, so I can't really show you how to use a planner, but with desk calendars, this is my specialty, I promise you. People who know me since I think college or when I started working, I would always have a desk calendar. I lug it around with me anywhere I go. I didn't do digital calendars. I only started digital calendars starting 2020. But before that, I would always have my desk calendar with me. And of course, I want to tell you about these progressive companies. This is like a commemoration or like a thank you to these companies who have helped me, supported me, and believed in me throughout the years. This sheet of paper, which I love, I have been practicing this since 2016. And it has brought so much magic, so much miracle, so much blessings by being able to set an intention for the year. Okay, there's a word for the year. There's also a letter for the entire year. So you will write a letter to yourself now, since you're already listening and watching me, and you can keep it here with a calendar, or you can fold it up and you can put it in an envelope and then hide it somewhere. But make sure that you set an alarm and you put in your alarm where you hid it, just so you know where it is. So what kind of person do you want to be in 2023? What do you want to manifest in the coming year? With that in mind, write a letter to the 2024 version of yourself. So January 1, 2024. Okay, as if everything you wanted to manifest in 2023 has already happened. So that is how you're going to write your letter. And of course, ta-da! We have some stickers for you guys. I love stickers, and I use them as like a reward thing. Like, oh, if I exercised on a Monday, then I'm going to put a star on a Monday. Yeah. And then we also have like intentional quotes here. Plus, we have some guide prompts here, and it's the same every month. So what are your intentions this month? So put it here. And what are you grateful for this month? So this one, you fill this up in the beginning of the year, and then this one, you fill this up after the month is over. Okay, so that is how you're going to use it. May this calendar bring you more intention in your life and really help you become the person who you want to be in 2023. Oh, rhyming. I prepared this for you guys so lovingly. We hope that you love it. And if you have any questions at all, just send me a message on Instagram, Kimmy Lou Life Coach, and I'd be so happy to answer your questions. That's all, guys. Congratulations for receiving this. Happy New Year!